Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Today I came up with a program, Kashmir, a football ground for India and Pakistan. Like a football ground, you have a one half and the another half, and the same thing is happening here in subcontinent with in Kashmir. Pakistan have one half, they have one piece of land, and India have another piece of land, and there is a small piece of land administered by the China as well. The problem is they are playing with us since 70 years, and there are dozens of United Nations resolutions regarding Kashmir, but still there is no hope. And my question to the United Nations and to the West, that you talk about the human rights, you talk about the ethics, you talk about the moral values. America is taking himself as a moral judge. West is taking themselves as a moral judge. You cannot see what is happening in Kashmir, how difficult the life of a common person is in Kashmir, especially in Makbuza Kashmir. If you say something wrong about, if you say something regarding their army or someone, officials, you will never be seen by your parents next time. Lots of well educated students are going for the insurgencies and to take guns in their hands. Why? Because Kashmir is a disputed area and it is not been entertained by the West, by the America, and by the other countries in the world. And Pakistan and India is playing here in this football ground and sending ball here and there and taking one place here and there. This is what happening with Kashmiri people, and Kashmiri people, even they are exist all over the world, but we cannot make any change because these two powers are the atomic powers, and along with China. So what can we do? So we are hopeless, but we can just request that if you talk about the ethics, if you talk about the morality, if you talk about the moral judge, and you consider yourself as a moral judge, and you can bomb somewhere else in the Arab, and you can do anything over there, but you cannot say something about Kashmir. This is totally unfair. This is totally unfair for an issue which is pending in United Nations since 7 decades. So now this is the time. And today I just listened that there will be a foreign secretary level meetings between India and Pakistan. Kashmiris are the main stakeholders, and we don't know about that who from the Kashmir will be in those meetings. And I think that there will be no one, because India and Pakistan, they just want to settle down these problems, these issues, because this is not the issue of the people of Kashmir. This is issue of the land. This is issue of the water. This is issue of the strategic position for, with respect to warfare. So Kashmiri people, they just okay, they don't care about us. They just concerned about the land. They concerned about the resources. They concerned about the strategical position, geographical position that Kashmir, and they concerned about the water. But we request again to the United Nations and to the West that help us to tackle this problem, help us to get off this issue and decide something for the people of Kashmir. We have more than 220 million people. What should we do? We want our democratic right. Thank you.